Hi, fifth graders. This is Mrs. Schrader Shook, and I'm here to explain to you one of your two math activities for this week. I'm going to be going over fifth grade logic links number 1, coming to September 21st. You have until September 28th to have at least half of the slides correct and sent back to me. So there are 6 slides altogether. You are expected to have half correct and complete. The reason we have 6 slides sent to you, however, is because some of you get done with your classroom lessons earlier and you have some extra time, and so we wanted to provide you with some bonus slides for you to complete. The slides do get more difficult as you go on, so start with slides 1, 2, and 3, and then if you have bonus time, work on slides 4, 5, and 6 before you submit them to me. Now let's say that you are in cohort A and you come to school Monday, Tuesday, and then you're working from home on Wednesday and you get 3 of the slides done. I would like you to not send the activity to me until probably Friday, unless you do all 6 slides, because I don't want you to do half and then submit it to me, and then you are doing schoolwork on Thursday or Friday, and then you finish early, and then you don't have anything to work on. So make sure that you are keeping it with you, and then at least trying slides 4, 5, and 6. And then if any are wrong, if more than half is wrong, then I'll just send it back to you. I'll let you know which ones to look at, and you can fix them. All right, so I'm just going to go through what the activity will look like. So you can see, if you're in Virtual Academy, I know you've already done one of these, but I'm just going to go over it for those of you who are hybrid. So we have 1 red chip, 1 yellow chip, 1 green chip, 1 blue, 1 purple, 1 white, and 1 black. You'll need to move from, if you're on the pen feature, you'll need to switch to the grab feature so that you can actually touch and manipulate and move these chips around. These chips don't move. This is where you're going to be moving them to. But one word of caution, when you're selecting your chip, do not go over and change the color of the chip because that will mess with your clues. So just keep it the way it is. Okay, so there are 4 clues for this activity, and you need to know that as you go through the clues, then you'll just move the chips, and you might not know how the chips go until the very end. So we have the red chip is adjacent to and counterclockwise from the white chip. Okay. So as you are going through that clue, you might think, what does adjacent mean and what does counterclockwise mean? Adjacent means next to, and then counterclockwise, if you see as if this was moving like a clock, the second hand moves this way. Counterclockwise is opposite if the second hand moved that way. So that means that, let's say the white is right here, and the red chip needs to be adjacent to and counterclockwise. This would be if it was clockwise to the white chip, and this would be if it's counterclockwise to the white chip. So let's just pretend they go there. The topmost chip touches the green chip and the yellow chip. Okay, so that means that the white and red cannot go there. So if the green and the yellow need to be on opposite sides of them, they might be in a different way, but let's just say that. And then here, that red is still counterclockwise to that white chip because it's moving this way. Okay, clue 3. The blue chip touches the white chip and the yellow chip. Oh, okay, here's the yellow chip. If I need the blue chip to touch it, I'm just going to keep sliding these over. Here my blue chip touches the white chip and the yellow chip. So see how I'm just taking it one clue at a time, and if I need to move them around, that's fine. The black chip touches the green chip and the red chip. Okay, from there I've read through the clues. I'm not going to go any further. Maybe you see where that black chip goes. Maybe you see where that purple chip goes. Maybe you realize I've made a mistake somewhere in here. I'll just move my counters back. So your job is to finish up slide 1. I've gone through part of it. And then you'll have slide 2, which has 8 chips. Slide 3, slide 4, 5, and 6. Now, some of them have more clues than others, so your job is just to try your best. And when you are done, you will hit the green check mark to send back to me, and I will let you know how you did. All right, again, this is Mrs. Schrader Shook here with one of your math lessons called Logic Links. I hope you have fun, and I will see you next time.